So there's a topic that I want us to talk about, guys. So is this what's happening between South Africa and these illegal foreigners who are here in our country, destroying our country? The government of Zimbabwe, they're simply telling South Africans, we are not going to pay for their citizens who are here in our country, legal and illegal. They're not going to pay for their medical care. But if you are working here with no work permit, but you are here in our country, doesn't matter which country you come from. You come from Europe, you come from Africa, you come from wherever you come from, we don't care. If you are here in this country, if you are in this country working with no permit, you must just know that you are illegal in our country. You are a criminal. You should be treated like a criminal. You should be arrested. No pass, no entry, no permit, no entry, no documents, no entry. They must go utilize the hospital in Zimbabwe.
When Zanele, I don't know her name, that Dudula lady, when she calls every undocumented foreigner a criminal, she's somewhere 70% right.
And the Zimbabwean government digs in its heels. It will not fund medical bills of its citizens living here in South Africa.
We can't fight over pills. Free pills that you don't even cook in your own house. Free pills that you don't even make yourself. Pills that are donated from the outside. Pills that are coming from NGOs.
They only know about Ubuntu when they're in South Africa. In the home country, there is no Ubuntu. But the Ubuntu somehow must exist in South Africa. Ubuntu must exist in South Africa. South Africa, we're not angry enough to remove these criminals who are here in our country. Even their own government, they're saying they will not pay for medical care for their own criminals who are in South Africa.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 foreigners, 14 South Africans.
The ANC and the DA and the EFF, they've turned this country into a refugee camp. Operation Dudula has finally registered as a political party. Uzonyiwa manje. Sithi phambile nge Operation Dudula phambile. Phambile nge Operation Dudula phambile. Phambile nge South Africa phambile. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on which this video. You could be watching from South America, you could be watching from North America, you could be watching from Asia, you could be watching from Australia, you could be watching from Europe, you could be watching from Africa, the mother continent, you could be watching from the Caribbean, you could be watching from anywhere around the world. Could be the first time you bump into my face, could be the first time you bump into my voice, could be the first time you bump into my YouTube channel. My name is Hlulani, the Tsonga Prince from South Africa, from Zanzibar for sure. You're probably asking yourself, what am I doing here? I'm here to talk about what's happening around my country. I'm here to talk about what's happening around Africa. I'm here to talk about what's happening around the world. But most of all, I am here to come and defend my country from those who think they can come to a country illegally. I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come and corrupt our country, I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come and work in our country illegally, I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come and sell my white power in our country, I will be the first defense force. More than 77% of you guys, you're watching my content, but you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. So kindly hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. So every time when I upload my video, you are the first one to get my videos, guys. I need your support. I need your support. To subscribe, it is freaking mahala. You don't pay nothing. Just hit the subscribe button and support the channel, guys. Don't forget also to hit the join button, become a member and support the channel, guys. Just less than 30 rand or less than $2, you can become a member and contribute to this channel so that we can continue to grow and fight for this country, guys. We are in the road to 20,000 subscribers. We're not that far from getting that 20,000 subscribers, guys. I just also want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. Also want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Also want to say thank you to you who just subscribed right now, because I know you are hitting that subscribe button. So I need your support. I need your support. Let's continue. Don't forget, when I'm a super chat, you can do that. I also want to say thank you to all the people who are busy super chatting on my channel, guys. I just want to say thank you so much. I just want to say thank you, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you, guys. So there's a topic that I want us to talk about, guys. So is this what's happening between South Africa and these illegal foreigners who are here in our country, destroying our country? I just saw a video, guys, and let me tell you, guys, if we don't fight for this country is over. We have seen what the DA, the ANC, the AFF, and the FF Plus, what they've been doing to this country. They are selling our country. So South Africa, I think we are not angry enough to wake up and fight for this country, because let me tell you, the government of Zimbabwe, they're simply telling South Africans, we are not going to pay for their citizens who are here in our country, legal and illegal. They're not going to pay for their medical care. Not long ago, there was that idiot, that MEC of health from Gauteng, that idiot MEC who was telling us that these people are paying. And here is the government of Zimbabwe saying, we will not pay nothing. They are not their responsibility to pay for their medical bills. So I'm simply saying to South Africans, let's close up everything now. We cannot be the one who take care of their citizens. When the government is refusing to pay for their health care in this country, we're simply telling all of these people, guys, they must go to private hospital. And if they don't want to go to private hospital, we'll end up even closing that channel to go to private hospital. Because enough is enough, guys. I think we're not angry enough. And I'm also hearing things that are happening in the province of Limpopo. Sishiho, what is happening there? We cannot sit and allow these illegal foreigners utilize our free healthcare. They must go to private, only private hospital, only working Medcare or something like that, Puluso hospital. They must go there and go pay because the doctors there are waiting for them to come and contribute and pay pay for their own healthcare. We cannot allow these criminals to utilize our free healthcare. Let me tell you, if you are here in our country illegally, if you are here with no passport, if you are here with not work permit, if you are here, you don't have any permit staying in this country, I want to tell you, you are a criminal. We shall treat you like a criminal. Will not change treating you like a criminal. You are a criminal if you are here in our country without document. If you are working here with no work permit, but you are here in our country, doesn't matter which country you come from. You come from Europe, you come from Africa, you come from wherever you come from. We don't care. If you are here in this country, working with no permit, you must just know that you are illegal in our country. You are a criminal. You should be treated like a criminal. You should be arrested and you should be deported back to your home country, guys. Sishiho, we cannot keep up because I'm hearing a lot of things what's happening in Sishiho. Guys, Operation Dudula, we need to start working here in POLOKWANE. We need to start cleaning our clinics. We cannot keep quiet anymore because they think this is a playing ground. Their government is refusing to pay for the health care. But let me tell you, the people that were importing into this country, they're criminals, and we should stand as South African. We should fight and defend this country. We can no more allow criminals in this country. We have seen the ANC, we have seen the DA, we have seen the EFF, we have seen the FF+ destroying this country. The ANC is the number one failure because they have allowed these criminals to come and destroy our people in our country. Guys, these people are raping our children. They're kidnapping our people. They're hijacking our cars. They're doing all these criminality things in this country, and we should keep quiet. We cannot keep quiet. But let me play you this clip, guys, because this is nonsense. We cannot accept what is happening in our country. These people should leave. So Sisheho, as Pakamen Afetu, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. Let's go clean up our clinics. Let's block every clinic that is, especially these public clinics. We must block them. And no, if I wanna pass it on Geni, you are not no pass, no entry, no permit, no entry, no documents, no entry. They must go utilize the hospital in Zimbabwe. But let me play you this clip. Let me play a couple of clips, guys, and you tell me what you think, because we are exporting criminals in our country that are destroying our country, but we can no more allow this nonsense. This is our country. We must fight and defend this country, guys. But let me play you this clip.
This paper here, this booklet in Zimbabwe, to have this, it costs less than 4,000. Yeah. So, when Zanele, I don't know her name, that Dudula lady, when she calls every undocumented foreigner a criminal, she's somewhere 70% right. Yeah, because those who are committing serious crimes, they are not documented at all. They don't even move with anything with their names. You see? So she's right. Why am I saying this? One day I was coming from Zimbabwe. In fact, my first time coming to South Africa, I had this passport. Then a certain gentleman was sitting next to me. Then we had a breakdown. We went somewhere to buy food. On our way back, I asked him, "Man, do you have a passport?" Then he said, "No." Then I said, "Why?" Then he said, "The works we do in South Africa does not need me to be documented at all." Then I realized I was moving with a criminal.
South African, kuti unge une medical insurance emuno kuitira kuti urapwe.
And the Zimbabwean government digs in its heels. It will not fund medical bills of its citizens living here in South Africa. This comes as South African groups block foreign nationals from accessing public clinics and hospitals.
South African kuti unge une medical insurance emuno kuitira kuti urapwe.
And the Zimbabwean government digs in its heels. It will not fund medical bills of its citizens living here in South Africa. This comes as South African groups block foreign nationals from accessing public clinics and hospitals.
Because I don't think a normal person would get angry over pills. Lana, people were targeting you and just waiting for you to do something so they can come for you. Or Vele is the hatred that is always there and they're always ready to attack. Even when you're trying to do good, you are always trying to attack. Hi, because what the hell? We can't fight over pills. Free pills that you don't even cook in your own house. Free pills that you don't even make yourself. Pills that are donated from the outside. Pills that are coming from NGOs. Pills that can literally help someone live and protect them and their unborn child. You make noise about pills. You get angry over pills. Hi, when you make sense, maybe or apply sasa. Hi, so understand what I like cross the line. I'm a police. Hi, no. Hi, Nyanivuma. Hi, Nyanivum. I agree you. Hi, Nyanivuma, Nyanisaba, actually. Hi, Nyanisaba, actually. Ukule vuma kusala pants. Nyanisaba. Pills. People get angry over pills. Pills that they don't even drink. That's why I need to make my kukhona enikusebenzisa kulawa elikusebenzisa ngama ARVs nisitshele. Niwenza nama ARVs. Niphela ngawo. Because I don't think you'll be this angry over something that doesn't benefit you. I don't think you'd make so much noise over something that you don't even use. Something that you don't even take out R1 for. Oh, she must go back home whatsoever. What happened to Ubuntu? What happened to Ubuntu? Can't you assist someone first? And then after, that's when they can make a decision on whether they are going home or whatever. Omuntu dujuliwe, or omuntu kwaziwe, they are bleeding. But then when you're saying go back home, how?
South Africa, you can't make up this type of entitlement. The ignorance starts from their leaders. The ignorance starts from their leaders who comes to this social media, talk nonsense, and they only know about Ubuntu when they're in South Africa. In the home country, there is no Ubuntu. But the Ubuntu somehow must exist in South Africa. Ubuntu must exist in South Africa. They don't want even to pay for their own people. We must pay as South Africans. We host them. We give them jobs. We give them money to send back home. And we must pay for everything for them in our own country. South Africa, we are not angry enough to remove these criminals who are here in our country. Even their own government, they're saying they will not pay for medical care for their own criminals who are in South Africa. So I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. We are not angry enough to fight and defend this country. This idiot who comes and tells us we don't pay for medical. I've done this video yesterday, guys, but let me tell you, every time when I keep on watching this video, it's making me sick. Because let me tell you, we pay 95% of the medical care in this country, the one that goes to the public hospital, is paid by taxpayer. Only 5% was coming through the funds that we're getting from America. But this idiot, he does not know that. But this idiot comes here and make noise. We shall deport this idiot back to his home country so that they go deal by those Zimbabwean people, because he's not even wanted in his own country. But also Ubuntu, who must have Ubuntu. When their own country, they hate each other. They fight amongst each other. But he's going to come and tell us that we must have Ubuntu. This nonsense that we don't even cook the pills. I suspect Lomfana, he does use ARVs, because you cannot come here and make this type of nonsense when you know the taxpayer is paying. He's protecting himself. Mfana uzofa. You're not taking those ARVs. Fight. Your time is coming, because let me tell you, he's fighting for his life. Because let me tell you, without those ARVs that he was getting, I can guarantee you, and Zimbabwe, we're tired of this nonsense. Sikatele, we are tired. He must go back to Zimbabwe and go get these ARVs in his own country. Because let me tell you, the way he's sounding like he's defending himself so that he can go get these ARVs. He's not defending just the Zimbabwean, because their own government is refusing to pay. Who shall pay? South Africa shall pay? Our government shall pay? Our taxpayers shall pay for these people? We cannot allow this nonsense. We are not going to allow these people. What I'm saying is this, South Africa, let's work. Operation Dudula, Valanema gate. My gate must be closed. The gate must be closed. Only if you pate a passport, you pate a permit, you've got the right documents to be in this country. But if you are a foreigner, a public hospital, we don't want you. Go to a private hospital. That's where you're going to go utilize healthcare, where you're going to pay, because public hospital, unama papers, we don't want you anymore there. We don't want you there anymore. Your hospital is private doctor, private clinic, private hospital. That's where you're supposed to be going, because this type of nonsense we should not accept in our country. The government of Zimbabwe is refusing. Who's going to pay for them? Are we going to pay for Zimbabwean and Mozambican and Malawians and Nigerians and all these African countries who come to our country illegally? Are we going to pay for that? They come to our country illegally. They leave. Even those Europeans who are in our country, we're not excluding you. We're telling you, you must go to a private hospital, because we are not going to allow you anymore on those public hospitals. We pay for our own medical care. So you must pay yourself too, because this is nonsense, guys. We cannot open. Let me show you. I want to show you another clip, guys. I want to show you another clip of this problem is still continuing. Even when we tell them we don't want them, they still wake up and go to our clinics. We're simple saying we don't want you. Go to a private hospital, go access healthcare there. But our public clinic, we simply say no. Free healthcare, we simply say no. Even your own home country does not give you free healthcare. But you think you come to South Africa, you'll get free healthcare. Every day, you're only having babies in our country. Skatele, go and do your nonsense in your own country. Even in your own country, you're not doing this. But when you come to this country, you are having 100 babies. Go give birth in your home country. Go pay for your health care. We are not going to pay for your health care anymore. Enough, it's enough. By fact, we must take back our country. We can't accept this piece of nonsense. Let me play with this to show you guys we are still having challenges in some of our clinics. They are still coming, even when they know we are saying, as a citizen of this country, we know the ANC is saying nothing. We know the ANC and the DA and the EFF that are defending these criminals who are in our country. First of all, you come to this country illegally. You are a criminal. You must be treated like a criminal. Enough, it's enough. But let me play with this next clip, guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 foreigners, 14 South Africans, 14 South Africans, 11 foreigners. Now we must serve the whole continent. Does it work like this, our South African family? It doesn't work like this. Then when you get there in front, there's no medicine. Or when you go there in front, you must come back tomorrow. We are tired. We are not hating on you, but we have lost met. You must abide by the snap.
Batswadi e nngwe nshine mabare ba re dipalo dire tse ding tse e leng gore a re di bone ba re sa le operation Dudula e thoma ho operate batho ba ba irang 2750 setse ba kry-ile mmereko so ke bone le nna malo ba e feta mo Silverton mola na ona le company e nngwe ya go ira diaparo so Friday na e hirile 85 ya batho because of operation Dudula na ile mola kry-ile batho ba ba le mola bontši a se batho ba ka mo South African ba bereka mola e se ko molaong ebile ba robala gona mola so operation Dudula ya khona gore e thuse so na e hirile 85 ya batho Friday so ba setse ba la gore batho ba botlhe tekano yotlhe e leng gore setse kry-ile mmereko ke 2775 so re operation Dudula e ran to e right gore report re ntho irang e wrong so hora hore operation Dudula he ka tswela ka mkhwetso he ka tswela pele ka mkhwirang ka teng re ka felletsa batho ba botlhe ba mo South Africa re kry-ile mmereko o sna motho wa lang ka mmereko so le bona behang lena batswadi commentane bolela e right gore e wrong re khone ho itse gore ntho irang e right gore e wrong na thank you batswadi.
What I want to say is this, Bafethu, if you did not know, Operation Dudula has finally registered as a political party. Uzonyiwa manje. ANC, EFF, MK, bonke. Uzonyiwa manje. Because Operation Dudula says, South Africa, all of us who must go vote for Operation Dudula, I must sell out the ones they won't vote for Operation Dudula because they are sleeping with these illegal foreigners. They are sleeping with these illegal foreigners. They will never vote with Operation Dudula. They will never vote with the people of this country. I'm saying to you now, Operation Dudula has finally registered as a political party. City, my boo, yeah, our country, my boo, yeah, my boo, yeah, South Africa, my boo, yeah, my boo, yeah, South Africa, my boo, yeah, Bafethu. Under Operation Dudula in South Africa, yeah, boo, yeah, Noma Kanja, you can see that jobs are being created because Operation Dudula, they are working, Bafethu. Don't allow these people who are saying Operation Dudula is dividing the country. Operation Dudula is not dividing the country. Operation Dudula is fixing the country. Operation Dudula is bringing back the laws that the people should follow. Operation Dudula is making sure that our constitution and our laws are being followed. We are still having these people who are coming to our country illegally. We are no more going to accept it. City pambile Operation Dudula pambile. Pambile Operation Dudula pambile. Pambile South Africa pambile. We're going to continue to fight for this country. Enough, it's enough. So, Bafethu, especially la POLOKWANE, we must kick them out because the majority of them die here. So, it is Shiho, Venda, Toyandoi, Messina. It is time we take back our country. They must cross the border. They must go back because even the own government saying they will never pay. So the arrogance from the government, they don't care about the people. Why should we care? Why should we care when their own government says we don't care, we are not going to pay? It is an insult to the government of South Africa. And South African government, they are watching this. They've been told we are not going to pay. It is not our responsibility. Let me tell you, the ANC and the DA and the EFF, they've turned this country into a refugee camp. The whole country, Bafethu, is a refugee camp. We cannot allow our locations, get the refugee camps, our villages, get the refugees camp, our suburbs, get the refugees camp. We can no more allow our country to be turned into refugee camps. This is our country. There's no country in the world that has been turned into refugee camp except South Africa. So if you love this country, we're going to fight and defend this country. You can see the work that operation is doing. Guys, South Africa should not even have a problem of employment. South Africa has employment problem because over 65% our people are not employed. Why? We have allowed illegal aliens in our country to take over our country. We shall not accept this. And we are not going to allow the government to use South Africa as a whole as a refugee camp. Because if they want to have refugee camps, they must take the refugee camp. They must go build refugee camps in the borders, not in our kasi, not in our villages, not in our suburbs. Because as we speak, there is no refugees camp in South Africa except they have turned South Africa into a refugee camp. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, guys. My apology. Oh, Jesus. That's how angry I am. That's how angry I am. South Africa, we must stand and fight for this country. Enough is enough. We can no more allow these companies to continue to employ illegal foreigners. We are coming for you. Take this as a warning, because when we come, it's going to be bad. So do what is right. Follow the laws of this country, because if you are not following the laws of this country, we are coming for you. Guys, let me not make this video very long, but I just wanted to pass the message that the government of Zimbabwe is refusing to pay for medical care for its own people who are here in South Africa. So South Africa, what are we saying? Are we going to sit and watch Zimbabwean abuse our country, or are we going to go fight for this country? Let's continue to fight for this country, guys. My name is Hlulani, the Tsonga Prince from South Africa. We must continue to fight and defend the country. I'll see you in my next video, guys. We are not going to allow criminals to take over our country. This is our country. If we don't wake up, they are taking our country small by small. More videos are coming, guys. I love you, man. Sharp, sharp.